Hello, today I would like to talk to you about Open Badges Infrastructure, or OBI. The mission of Open Badges is to enable anyone, anywhere to issue, earn, and display badges for learning accomplished both in and outside of the school environment. The results are broad recognition of 21st century skills and experiences, unlocking of career and educational opportunities, and learners everywhere being able to level up in their lives and work. This graphic was taken from the Open Badges website, which describes how they're an online standard to recognize and verify learning. As you see, we have the learner, and their learning occurs through multiple avenues in their lives. It might be through job training, online learning, volunteer program, or another passion. And through Open Badges, earners are able to collect badges from all areas of their life into their badge backpack. And then through their badge backpack, those badges can be displayed via Facebook, Twitter, Weebly, Tumblr, their website, resumes, and other things that are going to be visible by choice to the public, giving them job opportunities, lifelong learning, and possibly unlocking new possibilities. There are roles inside of the Open Badges infrastructure. So we have earners. Earners are earning Open Badges from issuers, and they can earn badges from issuers from different organizations to collect within their backpack, highlighting a varied perspective of who they are. Issuers create, publish, and award Open Badges to earners, and displayers present earners' badges in a digital context for the public to view, which leads us to that last group of consumers, those colleges and employers viewing the badges that one has earned. Key elements and the teacher. So the teacher, in the way I see Open Badges working for an academic organization, would be an issuer, issuing badges to students. Ideally, I think the teacher would also function as an earner, earning badges from administration, which would encourage professional development and lifelong learning in the teacher as well. They would need to learn the process of creating and awarding badges. They would need to know their way around either the BadgeKit API, or BadgeKit web app to streamline this process for them. And fortunately, there's even a BadgeKit tutorial available on YouTube to help instructors with that process. As far as the administrator in this case would also be an issuer, again, issuing those Open Badges to teachers and staff. They would be happy to note that this program has free software and an open technical standard. It's also providing relevant data that is relevant to the schools viewing the students, so colleges, potential employers, also relevant to the students themselves because it's highlighting their relevance as a person. The key elements and the technologist. So the technologist would be the displayer. They would access teacher and student publicly shared Open Badges and display them on the public forums. So this might start with Haiku, different school websites, and then branch out from there. They could assist teachers and administration in the process of creating and awarding badges, in case anyone has any difficulty with that initially. And then here I also have some technical information they may want to know if they're deciding if Open Badges infrastructure is correct for their organization. So how would Open Badges work at HSHMC? Our students, the learner, they're learning in many avenues of their life. They're learning through their internship, which we have with Sharp Hospital and Healthcare. Some of our internships are also in schools, helping work with the young children. They also may have work experience that they need to help support their families. So there's those skills they can earn badges for. Then they have their core classes. So what are their academic accomplishments? And then also a lot of them are going to be involved in sports, academic clubs, arts clubs, theater, volunteer work. All of these learning experiences are valuable, and they're also connecting to the real life of the learner, helping to propel the learning forward. So we have a learner who has collected all these experiences we just talked about. They're able to earn badges for all these experiences, have them in their badge backpack. They can decide which ones to make public And then our excellent technological team would be able to display their badges on websites and networks. So we could start within HSHMC at the haiku level, move forward through our college connections, and help students to incorporate these badges into online resumes, which would then be viewable to colleges and employers and give our students increased opportunities. So why OBI for HSHMC? It's new to me, it's new to my school. Also, I really feel it would help us move forward on our mission of increasing student voice. Because not only is this looking at academic learning, not only is this talking about what do you want to be career-wise, but who do you want to be? What kind of varied human being are you? And also, this connects to students' daily lives and it makes their learning relevant. It validates the learning they're doing both inside and outside of school, and it's preparing them for their future. It's making real connections, and they get to take these badges, this learning with them. Lastly, I also feel it promotes equality on the campus because if students and educators are both earning badges together, they're both acting as lifelong learners, and that's just another connection. So if you are interested in OBI, please go take a look at openbadges.org. Thank you so much for your time today. I greatly appreciate it, and I'm enjoying